Hey guys, how's it going? Hope everybody's had a great summer. It's been really rainy and shitty. I'm really praying for a nice hot August. Today we're making pickles. These are little cukes that I grew in my garden. And I made some pickles last week for the first time and they came out pretty good. So I'm gonna try and make them even better. And pickles are like one of the easiest things to make, I think, now that I've done it. So let's get started. So personally, I like pickle spears. You can do chips, you can do pickle halves. I think you could probably just even do a whole if you wanted. Doesn't really matter. But I'm just gonna be using these to snack on for the most part. So now you're gonna make your pickle brine. You can actually do this cold or you can heat it up. I think you bring it to a boil and then you like pour it over the pickles. But that kind of makes your pickles less crunchy, and we like crunchy pickles around here. So I'm gonna do half a cup of apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna do just some white vinegar, so it's not too strong. You are gonna water this down too. And I've decided, out of the kindness of my heart, that I'm going to give these ones away. So I'm going to put some sugar in here because this person who I'm giving them to likes sweeter pickles. Maybe a couple teaspoons. Then you're going to take your mason jar and you're going to take your pickle spears and you're going to fit them in there so that they're pretty jam-packed in, so that they don't have a lot of room to move around. I've got a couple garlic cloves that I just cut in half and then smashed with a knife because everybody loves garlic. I'm gonna put some onions in there because then it'll give it great flavor, but you can also just eat the pickled onions after. That's nice. And got some dill from the garden. Shove that in there. Fun thing about pickles, you can really like make them however you want. Spicy, sweet, salty, whatever you're into. And then add some salt to this. Let's see. I'm gonna put some whole black peppercorns. Brand new thing. Some peppercorns in here. Just pour this over them. And then I'm going to fill the rest to cover them up with water. Okay. I'm going to cover this. Give them a little shake. Right, and honestly, I don't think I put enough dill in here, so I'm gonna go back outside, get some more dill, but you get the gist. And then you just pop them in the fridge, and in 24 hours, you've got crispy, crunchy, homemade pickles.